Yeah, guys, today we are going to discuss nutrition in humans. Okay, nutrition in humans. Humans can eat proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamins like lipids. Okay, these different kind of food we can eat. Okay, so humans, the nutrition is there is a part which is the digestive of these kind of food. Okay, where it can be digested. Okay, there is a digestive system which is alimentary canal. Guys, the system of digestive system, the character is there is a definite mouth and a definite anus. We can call the digestive system. Okay, first digestive system is evolved in roundworms. Like in the invertebrate, there is a group of animals like Assimilation. It is a phylum which is the digestive system first evolved. Okay, digestive system definition is what? Okay, yeah, there is definite mouth and anus is developed as a system called digestive system. Digestive system is developed, mean they started at Assimilation, which is invertebrate from phyla, each and every phyla. Like after Assimilation, there is a annelids, molluscans, echinoderms, finally chordates. If the chordates, there are 5 types of categories: fishes, amphibians, and reptiles, and birds. After that, mammals. In the mammals, the human digestive system very complex, which is first where it is started in the roundworms, very simple digestive system, only mouth, only anus, there is a tube which is to give the digestive system in the lower class animals. If the complex animals like humans, the digestive system also complex. The development of alimentary canal in the different stages, they make the complex like this. Okay, we are going to discuss this canal, alimentary canal, which is started with mouth and anus. We are going to discuss and each and every part in this alimentary canal. Okay, yes, cool guys. We were going to discuss each and every part in the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, nothing but it is the tube, guys. It is the tube. Okay, it is the tube like mouth and anus end, mouth started, anus end. Okay, this is the tube which is to segregate as a parts according to their need of function. They develop different in structure. This is the alimentary canal. They can modify it into the different structures. We can name it that structure. First, which is mouth, and second one is esophagus. This is the alimentary canal, guys. Alimentary canal. Okay, just like a straight tube which is developed in the first lower class animal, which is made it into the complex in the human beings. Okay, that is what first started with mouth. After that, there is a part esophagus, there is a tube. After that, stomach, and after that there is a intestine, small intestine and a large intestine. For the nutrition, for the digestion of the nutrition, along with alimentary canal, there are certain glands also need, that is digestive glands. So, human digestive system is alimentary canal. Along with alimentary canal, there are digestive glands are also there. Okay, we are going to discuss the detail about each and every part in the digestive system. Just look into it. This digestive system in the humans, it includes alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal is there and digestive glands also there. Okay, what are the digestive glands, what are the important of that glands, we will going to discuss about it. Okay, alimentary canal is the digestive with the mouth, they started and end with anus. Mouth with started, end with anus. Okay, this is mouth and this is anus, alimentary canal. Okay, yes, we will going to discuss. Okay, it is the muscular coiled tubal structure. Guys, this is the alimentary canal, it is the muscular, mean there is a structurally muscular tissue is there in the alimentary canal, muscle tissue is there structurally, they coiled, long coiled tube. Okay, yes, and the order of this alimentary canal is first started with mouth. Mouth is enter into the esophagus. Esophagus is the next part of the mouth, and stomach is the next part of the esophagus, and small intestine which is next part of the stomach, and later on large intestine which is end of the anus. Okay, just look into this diagram. Okay, it is very simple, you may observe many places this. Okay, where there is a hospitals. Okay, yeah, such a places you have to find this diagram, right. This is first mouth, and second one part is esophagus, and third one is stomach, and fourth one is like small intestine and large intestine. Associated glands also there, that is the digestive glands also there in this. Liver is there, this is the liver, and pancreas is there. Okay, there is associated gland liver and pancreas. Okay, there are another secretory glands are there, saliva is there, intestinal gland, and they can give the intestinal juice, and gastric glands in the stomach, they can give gastric juice. Okay, so we are going to discuss each and every part simply manner. Okay, first mouth. Mouth is the oral cavity. As you know, what are the parts in the mouth? Very simple, guys. Just think, in the mouth there is a tongue is there is a teeth is there is upper palate is there, lower palate is there. Okay, yes. So teeth. Okay, in the mouth teeth are, there are types of teeth also there. Okay, types of teeth are also there. 4 types of teeth. Okay, there are incisor, canines, and premolar and molar. 4 types of teeth. Okay, very simple, right. You have to come to know about your teeth as usual. Incisor, canines, premolar and molar, 4 types. And tongue. Tongue is the tasty muscular organ. It is the muscle organ which is has taste buds. Okay, fungiform, filiform and circumvallate. There are taste buds in the tongue. Okay, we are going to discuss each and every slide, guys. Cool. Yeah, mouth. Okay, what is mouth? Yeah, can you open your mouth? What are the parts in that mouth? Okay, yeah, just look into this. Mouth is taking food into the buccal cavity. Yeah, guys, buccal cavity is the that is the place which there is a hard palate and soft palate is there, oral cavity. Okay, in the mouth there is a salivary glands present in it. Salivary glands, guys, they release saliva. They release saliva. If you look into any mangoes, if you look into any ice cream, there is a release of saliva in your mouth, right? That is the salivary glands are there within the mouth. Okay, yes, and on it the floor it is as tongue which is have taste buds. In the mouth floor there is a separate organ which is tongue. Tongue as taste bud. Yeah, we know like we have taste sweet, we have taste but bitter. Okay, we can eat ice cream based on the taste, butterscotch like. Okay, yes, and there is a cavity which is supported by upper and lower jaws. Jaws are different kind of teeth. Yeah, teeth are located in the jaws, upper and lower jaws. Teeth are different kinds. Okay, 4 kinds of teeth. In a lifetime, in the human lifetime, there are 2 types of teeth are there. One is primary teeth, which is milky teeth. In childhood, you have to like first teeth is origin as a milky teeth. After attain certain adult age, the milky teeth are going to like lose and new teeth coming. okay, that is the permanent teeth. Okay. So, first initial days milky teeth are about 20 in number. Okay. After attain of adult age, the number will increase, that is 32, 20 to 32. First initial days, that is 20 in number, after that 32 in number, mean 12 number of teeth are increased. Okay. Yes. So, what are the types of the teeth? Types. Okay. Series of teeth are 2 times, mean they hard structure, they are hard in structure. Guys, teeth are very hard, right? Teeth are very hard, right? Yeah, you can you can eat any hardest substances like fruits and all, right? Teeth is very hard in nature. Mouth cavity, they are located in the mouth cavity. There is 2 sets of teeth, guys. 2 sets of teeth. Okay. Yeah. First set is milky teeth. First set is milky teeth. Okay. Their number is very low. Okay. That is number is incisors are 8, canines are 4, and molar are 8. Incisor 8, canines 4, molar 8. There is no premolar. There is no premolar in the milky teeth. Okay. Primary, where there is a child teeth are in 20 in number, there are incisor 8. Okay. There is canines 4 and molar 8. There is no premolar. Okay. Yes. The dental formula, like the formula of the teeth, milky teeth. Okay. Milky teeth 20 in number, guys, 20 in number. Incisors are 2 pairs. Okay. Canines are one side. This is one side jaw. Okay. Yeah. Molars are 2. 2 mean 2 to 4, lower side 4 and upper side 4, 8. Okay. Yeah. And canines are one side is 1, 2 side is 1, upper jaw one side 1, next side 1, mean lower 1, lower 2 and upper 2, 4. Okay. Molars are also 8, 4 in down and 4 in up, upper jaw 4 and lower jaw 4, 8. Total number in 20. Total number is 20. This is important for exam point of view. The lack of premolar, there is a teeth about in the milky teeth is 20 in number. Okay. Yes. Guys, this is you have to remember, premolar is not there in the milky teeth. Okay. And the number of incisors, canines and molars, the formula is 212, 212 into 2. 212, 212 into 2. What is 212, 212 into 2? 212 is one side, 212 is upside 1 and lower side 1 into 2 upside and lower side second part. Okay. This only left side or right side, 212, 212. Okay. Upper or low, and into 2, that is lower or upper, into 2. Okay. That is 20. Premol in the permanent teeth after attain of adult age. Okay. There is a 2123, 2123 into 2, that is 32. Okay. 2123 mean incisor is 2, canines is 2, premolar is 2 and molar are 3. Okay. 2123, 2123, 2 incisor, 1 canine, 3, 2 premolar, 3 molar. 2123, 2123, 223, sorry, 2123, 2123. Okay. 32. This is the dental formula. Okay. So, yeah, dents, there are permanent teeth and milky teeth, and the types of teeth, 4 types, and what is tooth structure, mean how it is hard in nature, what is the chemical structure in the teeth. We are going to discuss about it, guys. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is the tooth, this is the tooth structure, which is the 3 parts, crown part, okay, crown part and neck part and root. 3 phases are there, crown, neck and root. Okay. Just think. Guys, the hardest part in your body is enamel. Enamel is more harder than your bone even. Okay? Enamel is the hardest substances in your body. This is also question. Enamel is the hardest substances in your body. It is above the tooth. This is covered of the dentin. Enamel covered dentin. Dentin is the lower part of the enamel. As compared with enamel, dentin also hardest substances. That is also hardest substances, but not greater than enamel. Enamel is the hardest substances. Because of enamel, you can bite anything. Okay? Yes. And this is the dentin, guys. Dentin is the hardest part, which is made up of with calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate Ca3PO4 and calcium carbonate Ca3 like PO4 like carbonate, calcium carbonate HCO3 bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate also. Okay? Yeah, we will going to discuss about the formula, no need here. Okay? That is dentin is below the enamel, it is dentin, guys. Okay? Pulp is a cavity. Pulp is the cavity in the teeth. Upar wala, the surface area of the teeth is dentin. Below dentin there is a upar wala is enamel. Below enamel there is a dentin. Below dentin there is a cavity. This is the cavity we call pulp cavity. Pulp cavity mean, guys, teeth is the organ. It is not a tissue. Teeth is the organ. Organ has such a blood and nutrition, everything is need, right? The neurons. So nerves are enter into the pulp cavity. Blood vessels also enter into the pulp cavity. They can give the nutrition and oxygen to this organ. Okay? This is the pulp cavity. Periodontal ligament is located in the jaw. Okay? Yes, this is about teeth, guys. Okay? Yeah, this is enough for you guys. You have to remember enamel, dentin, pulp cavity, okay? The root, crown, neck, okay? Which is crown part, dentin and enamel. Neck part is the pulp cavity, cementum. They are located as a jaw in the cementum. Cementum is the base structure. They can hold the teeth into the jaw. Okay? Yes. I hope you understand, guys. Just think it is a very simple. Okay? Just think it is a very simple. Yeah. Tongue. You know tongue. You can taste with the tongue, right? Everything is taste with tongue. Okay? If you don't taste in the tongue, you don't identify the taste of ice cream and chocolate. Okay? Tongue is the muscular, muscle is there, right? Skeletal muscle. If you want masticate any food, your wish you can masticate. If you don't want, you can, because of it is skeletal muscle under control our brain. Okay? If you want your wish, how can use the tongue? That is muscular, skeletal muscle. It is the muscular in nature. Sensory organ to have taste buds. Yeah, taste is the one of the sense, right? Among all senses, smell is the sense, touch is the sense, touch is the sense, smell is the sense, auditory is the sense, and visionary is the sense. Taste is also one of the sense. So it is the taste organ. Okay? Yes. It is the taste buds are there. That is the taste buds in the tongue, fungiform, filiform and circumvallate. Fungiform, filiform and circumvallate. Filiform are the number are huge in the tongue. Okay? The taste buds are the number in nature, filiforms are huge. Circumvallate around the tongue, guys, assume this is the tongue, this is the tongue. Okay, this is attached to the palate, tongue. This side is circumvallate. Circumvallate taste buds are there in this tongue. This place filiform. Filiform taste buds are there. Okay, foliate and circumvallate. Okay, three kind of taste buds are there. Okay, they might not ask you about the particular details about the taste buds in the exam. Okay, first it is the muscular and sensory organ in the digestive system. Buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Yeah, guys. First mouth. In the mouth we did discuss teeth and tongue. Okay, buccal cavity. Buccal cavity nothing but there is a hard palate and a soft palate within the mouth called buccal cavity. Okay, yes. Buccal cavity, it is the oral cavity open into the pharynx, guys. Pharynx. Yeah, if we eat food, we eat food through the mouth, right? There is a like junction which is food is carried forward into the tube. Finally, tube, that is tube esophagus. Before that, we have to like heat food and we have to breathe air, right? There is a air channel is also there, and food channel is there, air channel is there. They are together to meet a part we can call pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage of food and air. Pharynx is the common passage for food and air. That's why like your mom, your dad, they told while eating don't talk. While eating if you talk, there may be a chance your food enter into the gas pipe, mean air pipe. Okay, there is a epiglottis which is covered, the food do not allow into the air pipe. Okay, this is what pharynx, it is the common passage for food and air. Okay, yeah, next part is the pharynx. After pharynx there is a tube, alimentary tube which is esophagus. After tube which is esophagus. Okay, esophagus, guys. Esophagus nothing but it is a food pipe, first food pipe in the esophagus. Just look into this. Yeah, just look into this. This is the esophagus. This is the esophagus, the pipe. Pipe is the esophagus. This is the food pipe. Okay. After mouth, the esophagus connected to the stomach. Okay. Yes. Just a minute. Yeah, esophagus nothing but it is the food pipe. The food is enter into the esophagus. First food digestion is going to take place, especially carbohydrates. Carbohydrate digestion is going to take place in the mouth. Okay, and food turn into the ball like structure, they enter into the esophagus. For the food can movement, they can move into the stomach, the movement called peristaltic movement. Okay, the food when enter into the esophagus, that going to enter into the stomach. Okay, esophagus nothing but it is the food pipe. It is the food pipe. Okay, esophagus, it is the long muscular tube. Okay, yeah, it is long muscular tube. It is moves food from pharynx. Yeah, pharynx first part. Okay, and stomach using peristalsis movement wave-like muscle movement. Peristaltic movement is wave-like muscle movement. No digestion occur here. Guys, this is important for exam. In the esophagus, there is no digestion is going to take place. Only throughout the alimentary canal, there is a chance of digestion is there. There is no enzymes. There is no enzymes in the esophagus for the food digestion. Okay, this is important. Esophagus tube, they do not have any digestive enzymes. Next part, stomach. Guys, just look into this. This is the esophagus. Esophagus further divide into stomach. Stomach. This is the stomach. This is the esophagus.